Actually, thanks for calling me. Uh, and actually, we had no clue about what we are going to do here. And actually, we had no clue about. In fact, I had no clue about actually what Nasik is. This is the first time I'm visiting Nasik, and actually, I find it great actually because I guess actually even students didn't had any not much of a clue of what they're going to do. And one more good thing is actually it's good that you people have selected the site in the Nasik itself because there are many people, many students from Nasik who already know what is happening, and they also know what they want and actually know what they lack and things like that. And actually, even the students are very energetic, and then actually. Uh, they're quite updated, not only in architecture but actually in the other fields and actually things like that.
And how did you arrive at this? I mean, they had made many proposals, so you narrowed down on a certain idea. How did you guide them, or was it entirely there?
No, actually, it's through series of questions. Actually, recently, um, I read this thing actually about what Charles Correa said. He says you can actually you can't teach architecture basically, so you can make them question so that actually they come up with their own answer. So we have actually, since it's a vertical studio, we have students from first year to fourth years and things like that. So initially we made the first years involved. We asked them to sketch some of the things on blackboard. Then actually we kind of actually try to build on that. Actually, we asked fourth years to talk on that, and then slowly built a story so that actually we get some direction to go about.
Do you think this vertical workshop activity will help the students in their professional lives as well as the whole architectural fraternity as a whole?
First thing is like they shouldn't be thinking about the professional life right now. They should explore the possibilities and horizon. And even as a professional, it definitely helps. But actually, I don't think we should be really focusing on professional thing because profession is slightly different actually, which I don't think we should be stressing more on. I think it will hinder the creativity.
And all of your mentors have come from different parts of the country.
Yeah.
Do you think this activity which is unique to Idea College, will have some reflections in other parts of the country as well?
Should we really talk about that? Because I don't see any, because actually everybody does in their own way. And it's nice to be creative, but actually if everybody starts doing this, it might become very homogeneous and maybe
Not
actually
exactly a vertical studio, but something similar to this.
it would help definitely. Actually, we'll know what others think from other part of the country, because there's a friend of mine from Calcutta, Delhi, and actually other places. It's nice to interact actually, and since it's going to be just for 2 to 3 days, there's a lot of energy from students as well as the staff and the mentors who have come. There's a lot of interaction and things like that. It's nice. It's really good.
Individually, do you think you can take away something from this activity?
Definitely, because even I am made to think. Actually, otherwise, uh, uh, it kind of speeds up accelerates your thinking. Actually, it's like because of intense thing, and from the fresh ideas, like from the first years to fourth years, and my other professional colleagues and academicians and things like that.